London-Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907. Entering runway 06 from the north taxiway, London-Corbin.
734 Mike X-ray, just park to your left down there on the ramp at a tie-down place and for the next customer.
Copy that, 4 Mike X-ray. London-Corbin traffic, helicopter 7907 on the go, runway 06, London-Corbin.
London-Corbin traffic, Cap 1507 is back down runway, departing runway 24, London-Corbin.
London traffic, Cap 1549, departing straight out runway 24.
London traffic, helicopter 307, Papa Hotel, right base, runway 24, landing to the ramp, London-Corbin. How about the Unicom, anybody home?
London-Corbin Unicom, go ahead.
Well, I need some more gas, John.
Okay, I'll meet you up there.
London-Corbin traffic, Cap 1534, departing runway 24. London-Corbin traffic, 4 Papa Hotel, clear, yeah.
London-Corbin traffic, Cap 1505 is clear to the northwest. Last call, London-Corbin.
05. London traffic, Cap 1549, passing 2,100, climbing 6,500 en route to Louisville, shifting to Indy Center 2462.